Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of February 12, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. This Monday, February 15th, is President's Day. Palm Beach County has decided that schools will be open. Remember, we follow the Palm Beach County School District's calendar. February 17th is Random Acts of Kindness Day, and on February 24th, we celebrate Pink Shirt Day to bring awareness against bullying. Students are encouraged to wear a pink shirt on both days. PBMA Pink Kindness t-shirts and Blue Shark or Anchor shirts can be purchased on our website. The pink shirts can be worn every single Wednesday, and the Blue Shark or Blue Anchor shirts can be worn on Fridays. Spring break is from Saturday, March 13th until Tuesday, March 23rd. Monday, March 22nd is a teacher workday. Last week was Spirit Week. Students had fun dressing up in crazy socks, dressing as twins or triplets, wearing crazy masks, or Valentine's Day colors. Here are some pictures. Sixth grade students participated in a virtual field trip with the Bush Wildlife Sanctuary, where they learned about different animals that the sanctuary rehabilitates. Students learned about owls and how they digest their food, and they were introduced to the different owls living at the sanctuary. Students found out that owls store undigested portions of food in their gizzards, and they regurgitate them in what we call an owl pellet. The pellets that we dissected were given to us by Bush Wildlife, and they were already sterilized and safe for the students to handle. The students had a great time dissecting the pellets and were excited to identify the bones and other materials that they found. Parents, we are thrilled to announce we are a finalist in the Best Public School in Palm Beach County. Thank you so much for your votes. The first place winner will be announced on April 15th. Thank you again. And finally, here are the secondary shocks of the week. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.